For the angel, I referenced this book. Chewbacca. Matthew Reinhart also has a video in his channel similar to this mechanism, and basically it's just two triangles pointing toward each other. Let me show you my dummy. This is the base page. This is the gully. You make two right angle V folds with glue tabs like this and fold it into two halves, and this fold will line up with the gully, and the two V folds pointing at each other with their tips just touching each other like this. This is the angel. Because I imitated Chewbacca in the Star Wars puppet book, it was a little bit longer than this, and I glued it like this. But actually you can make the image or this piece lie flat like this, but I made it like this. And then you don't have to pre-crease this part. You just fold and let the fold form naturally like this. This piece has to be glued on the opposite side across the gully. So you glue it here and then here, or the opposite, you glue it here and then here. But the image, it doesn't have to be that narrow. You can go a little bit across the gully, but just don't glue this part. Like this. And for the wings, one of the wings is glued underneath on this side, and the other is right here. But for the two wings, one is glued underneath the triangle, and the other one is glued on top on the other side. You have to play around with the position and figure with it until you find the right position so that they don't clash with the base page. I hope you liked my sharing today. Look out for tutorials for other mechanisms. Thanks for watching. Bye.